Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Um, it's time for vote. We finish our placement, pickup, and drop system, and now we have to choose which we want next. We have the possibility to make it next animation system for the holding, carrying items. The second choice would be we could implement our AoE in the game and use our current placement system to fill it up with life and make the drive mechanic, make the damage mechanic on the RU and so on. We can choose to make the enemy system, so we need maybe a bear, maybe a snake and something on. That the three options we have at the moment. And I not want to choose it for you. I want to choose the community to what we wanna do next. So the poll will be open till, let us say, next Wednesday. So it has a few days to vote for it. In the meantime, I will start the second place of our last vote and fill that with live. And on next Thursday, I think Thursday is right, we will continue on this series. Yeah, that's all I want to let you know. I hope you will all vote and we have a clear winner so we can go on this series. Bye guys.